Welcome, fellow gardeners. Today, we're diving into a fantastic tool that can truly revolutionize your gardening experience. We're talking about the Cold Frame Garden, a simple yet incredibly effective addition to any home garden. At its core, a cold frame is essentially a bottomless box with a transparent lid. Think of it as a mini greenhouse, but designed specifically for ground-level use. It's a straightforward concept that delivers powerful results for your plants. The primary purpose of a cold frame is to extend your growing season significantly. This means you can start cultivating fresh produce much earlier in the spring. It also allows you to continue harvesting later into the fall, long after the first frosts have arrived. Imagine enjoying homegrown greens when your neighbors' gardens are still dormant or already winding down. A cold frame makes this not just possible, but easy. It truly stretches the boundaries of your gardening calendar. The core mechanism behind a cold frame's success is its ability to harness the power of the sun. It creates a unique microclimate right in your garden. This enclosed space traps solar energy, warming the soil and air within. This warmer environment provides ideal conditions for plant growth, even when outdoor temperatures are less than favorable. It also acts as a protective barrier, shielding your plants from harsh weather conditions. It's a simple design with profound benefits. One of the most significant advantages of using a cold frame is its exceptional temperature regulation. This is primarily achieved through its ability to trap solar energy, creating a warmer environment for your plants. The transparent lid, whether made of glass or sturdy plastic, allows sunlight to penetrate freely. This sunlight then warms the soil and the air inside the enclosed space. The trapped heat elevates the internal temperature significantly. This creates a microclimate that is considerably warmer than the surrounding outdoor air. This temperature difference is crucial for early season gardening. It allows you to get a head start on your planting schedule. For instance, you can begin sowing seeds much earlier in spring, even when the ground outside is still too cold for direct planting. The cold frame provides the necessary warmth for germination and initial growth. Similarly, in the fall, after the first frosts have arrived, a cold frame enables you to continue harvesting. It protects your plants from freezing temperatures, extending their productive life well into the colder months. This means more fresh produce for your table. Beyond temperature control, a cold frame offers crucial protection from the elements. It acts as a robust shield for your delicate seedlings and young plants, safeguarding them from various environmental threats. It provides excellent protection against strong winds, which can easily damage tender foliage and stunt growth. Heavy rain, which can compact soil and wash away seeds, is also kept at bay. Even light snow is no match for a cold frame. This protection prevents physical damage to your plants, allowing them to establish strong roots and healthy foliage. It promotes vigorous growth by minimizing stress from adverse weather conditions. This is especially valuable during the unpredictable weather of spring and fall. Sudden temperature drops or unexpected storms can devastate an unprotected garden. A cold frame acts as a reliable guardian, ensuring your plants remain safe and continue to thrive. It's an invaluable asset for consistent gardening success. Building and using a cold frame is surprisingly straightforward, making it an accessible project for most home gardeners. You don't need to be a master carpenter to construct an effective one. Many gardeners opt for DIY construction using readily available and often inexpensive materials. Wood is a popular choice for the frame, offering durability and good insulation properties. Recycled windows or old shower doors make excellent transparent lids, giving new life to discarded items. Repurposed materials like straw bales or concrete blocks can also form the base, making it an eco-friendly project. If DIY isn't your style, pre-made cold frames are widely available from garden centers and online retailers. They come in various sizes and styles, from simple lean-to designs to more elaborate freestanding units. Regardless of whether you build or buy, a few key construction requirements are essential for optimal performance. You need a sturdy frame that can withstand the elements and hold its shape. A well-draining design is crucial to prevent waterlogging and fungal diseases. Most importantly, adequate ventilation is necessary to prevent overheating on sunny days and to manage humidity levels. This often involves propping open the lid. Cold frames offer incredibly versatile applications, making them a multifunctional tool in your gardening arsenal. One of their most common uses is for hardening off seedlings that were started indoors. Moving tender indoor seedlings directly outside can shock them. A cold frame provides a gradual transition, acclimating them to outdoor temperatures and conditions before permanent planting. This significantly improves their survival rate. You can also directly sow seeds of many cold-hardy vegetables right into the cold frame. Crops like lettuce, spinach, kale, and other leafy greens thrive in the protected environment, allowing for earlier harvests. This direct sowing method saves space indoors and reduces transplant shock. It's a fantastic way to get a jump start on your cool season crops. You'll be enjoying fresh salads weeks before your neighbors. Furthermore, cold frames are excellent for overwintering certain plants. They provide crucial protection from freezing temperatures, allowing less hardy perennials or biennials to survive the winter. This means you can keep some plants alive and healthy until the following spring, ready to burst into growth. It's a smart way to extend the life of your favorite plants and get an even earlier start next season. In summary, a cold frame is truly a valuable asset for any gardener looking to maximize their harvest potential. It's more than just a simple structure. It's a strategic tool for year-round gardening. By extending your growing season, a cold frame allows you to enjoy fresh, homegrown produce for a much longer period. Imagine harvesting greens in late fall or early spring when the rest of your garden is dormant. It effectively overcomes the limitations of your local climate, giving you more control over your planting schedule. This means you can grow a wider variety of plants or simply enjoy your favorites for longer. A cold frame unlocks the potential for a thriving garden, regardless of the season's challenges. It transforms what might be a short growing window into a much more expansive and productive period. It represents a simple investment, whether in time for DIY or in cost for a pre-made unit, that yields significant rewards. The benefits in terms of fresh produce and gardening satisfaction are immense. For dedicated gardeners, a cold frame is truly a secret weapon. It empowers you to push the boundaries of your garden, ensuring a continuous supply of delicious, homegrown goodness.